is the idiot son of, grandson of, grandson of which is Susitala, the ferocious Madhu Chopra Ghosh sister, Susitala Ghosh, or sometimes Ranjan, Susitala Ranjan, the horrible Chotarajan, Selvarajan group, Dawood Ibrahim group, Dawood Ibrahim, Pakistani dons, mentalities old, they can still be recognized as a stand for truth, not searching for stuff. But these newbies who have tried to this software to put into my computer and who to do jokes with Indians military arm power, CDS and military general Narware जो भी हो, you see these people, Indian born, but and I have maintained there is Ram power or Vishnu power or Shiva power or Krishna power or Buddha Mata. You have to always notice that art perforated power. Anywhere in the universe they can display the power of their art penetrating or any metal type, the finest power, all pervading. That which is in that sense also Saturn almost enjoy the same type of power, but is not equivalent. Within that Saturn's power also they can remain, but that Saturn power is so mystic. Not today scientists can also record and learn their power within human body. Monster figure, monster mentality, but figure human. The strange monster that tiptoes on his foot Hijra. He is not Satan, not human, but he is arguing just like human to defy his punishment or his crime, and he is the heap of that crime. Crimeness, heapness, heap, the mountain, the oceanness, the universeness of their crime, they are doing with joke. Unless these people, Satan, or richest family born, present and all Indian top officers of military, army, DRDO, RAW, IB, an Indian minister, judges, Supreme Court, etc., or a stupid president, that cannot be tolerated. And these people who do not know the name meaning of India, till date, I have to complain the people who, Bharatiya hood, Indian hood, but Indianness. What definition of Indian hood that internet is big? Are you asking Indian cobra definition means? Or hood meaning in Hindi, whatever, because they have no Indian meaning. Hood meaning in Hindi का मतलब Indian cobra मतलब bonnet definition and meaning मतलब Indian cobra, but Indianness is not there, a definition of Indianness. Definition of Indianness, new word suggestion call it. And that will go read Indian. The perception or feeling being of an Indian socially, culturally, spiritually. You have gotten that still is coming where? New word suggestions, calling modern dictionary. The perception feeling of being an Indian socially, culturally and spiritually. Cultural is something over cult, kalata, and spiritually. Sociology is almost same for Indianhood. Indian social definition, Indian cult definition, and Indian spirituality almost same. So I am returning to that complaint that who is blocking this Sony camera. This Tudmarani, those Budmaranis, as Indian cult, to do with wrongness of this mind, body, environment, atmosphere, cult, our inner body, and this camera, digital system, each and everybody. If I will go to this, if I go to my television and it's mobile, if I cannot directly call from one mobile to another, it is Vodafone's headquarters at Mexico Gulf proprietor. Permission is needed, and which is government of India to secure the Attorney and safety of digital system. Now is no signal. But that again is their messaging maybe, and I am putting to show the digital system hacking, CCTV camera hacking. When I am such serious complaint is making about the digital system of India, what you are importing, this material or manufacturing, what I have to go, I have not still illegal way purchased. That is certified from SOM. They have given me property of that HIC vision. This is a HIC. That focal length is still, this company is a HIC vision. So, it is a serious question that locking of the camera from remote, what dangerous, and to steal the all data, to get the views of your N1 body, inside or outside, the figures, people, movements, all data is this manufacturer of HIC vision to manage or mobile system, to whom I am connecting, what I am doing with the mobile, and the camera is there, of photography, of calling, it is partial usage. And I choose to I am unable to reduce or I am unable to correct. You see this, I am middle of this to so many times they to release me. Even they fear as I am recording. When I am asking problem of undersea of my underneath, Kamatpur, Jaramati, Mundu, Vishnupur, Arambagh, Hatak subdivision areas, just vertical land or sea, what will be that Indian defense system as your Indianness are taking through this mark for to be called an Indian. Indian greatness of civil and these people is it that you see this. You see this, who is blocking? Who is blocking? First you see who is blocking this camera. You think this camera and it's also there, lock this camera, even this camera in which I am mobile camera. So now my question to go the digital system of the DRDO people. Before that, general respect soldiers. Indian country ka soldier, claimant is extreme, esteemed, revered post, where no minister of the 2 days to whom I mentioned that criminal. They have no obligation to save the country, and they have so far remained unsuccessful. They have got school college failed, integrity, there is a failure. As one person, if he gives challenge openly to, and who has PhD scholar and was senior scientist of your and was been for scientific contribution has recognized and who is getting pension more than 1 lakh per month, that he is taking suggestion and he was challenging scientifically his profession of the rest scientific profession, that he is a scientist over and doctor, mean he has to multidisciplinary knowledge. Then he cannot claim PhD philosophical of science, philosophy means that is almost nobility who has not all the multidisciplinary science knowledge, then he is called the philosophical doctor in philosophy, well, of any science. He can understand that he has to be called PhD scholar. And the mother chose who to do job living Indian, look left vulgar prostitute wicked. So I am asking Indian head, military, Indian army head, to show your army head officer. You, run guardian account head. General Manoj Mukund Narwan. नौरवान तुम्हें मनुष्य क्लेम कर सकते हो, तुम मुकुंद हो, ये बहुत बड़ा नाम होता है संस्कृत में. My question raising those people who left India is remaining outside as a NRI or even USA. You have that power on defending my wiseness, spirituality, knowledge as I have given. You see this, who is locking my, you see this light is coming. And why my digital system, if it is, when I am putting any doubt of digital system, it is DRDO all people to keep your system safe. That complaint to be verified repeatedly when I am asking. And I am that man who is really known that Indian nation and Indian border from what to what will be called as per ancient definition area. The Pakistan is a part of India. He is on Indian greatness, majesty. He has given that dominion, self-dominion. But Pakistan is not doing self-dominion, self-restraining yourself. You have to remain. If you feel that we are humiliating, but you have Shaggy-like quality, you have self-restraint to do crimes or wrongs, to agree, attack other countries, not harming others, not flashing light in stealing, etc., not speaking lies, adulteration or harming, then you are self-restraint. That is a civil person, his own government. But Pakistan is supposed not doing that. He is supporting your Taliban or in China. If I am giving this, what are you? And army. I am giving Indian CDS. I am giving what are these three भूषण ऑफ प्रेजेंट टाइम एंड ए बूढ़ा इसलिए बोल रहा है इनका उस स्टैंडर्ड का मर्यादा नहीं है जिस सेंस में मैं इनका पोस्ट का मर्यादा देता हूँ, उसका मर्यादा का जरूरत है, इनका अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, हाउ हिज रेवार्ड विल बी इवन रिटायर्ड, where no Indian politician or judges or any scientist can get that majesty, magnificence or reverence. So, I am asking you, all my wiseness, I am that spirituality, all world, excellent majesty, ministry. I can kick on the head, chest of Jesus, any bishop party, any supremacy. Because so many causes I have expressed through their social media, Christianity, and so many descriptions, human oneness, and Indian greatness, Indian as a guru, preacher, preceptor of all nobility, noble work, law, etc. So if China can claim Tibet, India has very much right to claim his own border, even Myanmar too, or Indonesia, Malaysia too, Iran border. Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand is also come Indian, get our Indian instantly, unless the rest world. If the China has been the true as a Security Council member to have the veto power, what he has done wrong, encroaching Tibet, he cannot do that. India, we have given 3% out, 4%, even Bhutan 5%, Nepal 6%. Out to remain self-restrained, do not do any crime as per Indian laws, archaism or some theory. But you have no asking as whole world Security Council fight full stop, or China is blaming USA that USA not done so far targeting Taliban. He was asking action against Taliban. So in that sense, to go to teach the Taliban to cross the Karakoram road made by Pakistan and China, we have no need permission of any third country. As they encroach Tibet, so India to reach any portion, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, is no third party permission is required. As Indian greatness, and on my soldiers on head, you can believe me, my throat will be gone. If that Pope can challenge me, my majesty, as in this time, who is that real knower of Jesus' majesty, where Pope is simply ordinary.